Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the assistant on and off settings in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to know about this, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the assistant on and off settings of your device Oppo A57e.